Hello everybody and welcome back to my new series, which is my What If series, and we're going to be going over like, what if this happened to this cat instead of that? Kind of like that. But today, we're going to be like, it's going to be, what if Moonstripe took Moonkit instead of Treekit? But that's what we will be going over today. So, get it out of here. The two would have met, yada, 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 stuff would happen. Hey, I'm pregnant. Flies away. He's Thornclaw's father, of course. Oh yeah, note for Moonstar. You actually get to be in this video. This video is about you. She wasn't very happy about the last episode. Not episode, video. It's a different series. Anyways. So, alone, she had 3 kids. I just now noticed, just now, that Thornclaw looks like a clone compared to Moonstripe, just less sweet and nice, and you know what I mean. So she would have been like, oh no, clan cats. So in the original, she took Treekit because she could only hold 1 kid. And they were just born, so they were just bumbling around. Couldn't actually walk. Even though Moonkit's just like, I am fully capable of walking, thank you very much. But no. So, in this way, she took Moonstripe instead. Not Moonstripe. Moonstripe took Brown. I am confused now. She took Moonkit instead and just left these 2 to die. But that's not what happened. Seastar, the old leader, before Moonstar took over. Well, technically she didn't take over. Skyface just like, you're leader now. They took the 2 kits back to camp. And Moonkit would have Treekit's boring life. Actually, this video isn't about you. It's about, oh my, it's about your, camera's blurry. It's about your long lost brother. So anyways, they would have brought them back to camp. And would have been like, huh. Oh my gosh. Things are flying all over the place and there's a kitty hair. That did not. You'd be like, huh. Sorry. He would have been like, huh. These cats need a fake mother because that's what warrior cats do. You. I am completely fine with this and just doesn't even care. So, yada, yada, yada. She gets 2 kits. She has 2 kits, raises them, blah, blah, blah. Those guys are in the background. And they grow up. Thornclaw, really? Enough with your flying powers. We get that you have flying powers, now just stop. Like, jeez. So, they grew up, and instead of Moonstripe, or Moonstar, being mates with Grass Fur, it'd be the other way around. Grass Fur has a sister. And since Treekit replaced Treefoot replaced Moonstripe, she would have... Grass Fur's sister would have taken the place of Grass Fur. Okay, now I'm confused. So, yada, yada, yada. Stuff would happen. Thornclaw's like, see ya! Well, first she tries to murder Golden Flower and just like, nope, never mind. And then Sea Star just like, get out. Also, you're not supposed to be here. And you can stay, I guess. Aren't supposed to be here either. So yeah, stuff will happen. And you won't give birth to yourselves. That's just weird. We've given birth to 2 kids. Still, I would still question how they gave birth to a white kitten, even though the original parents, like in the original story, one of them is a black cat and one of them is an orange cat. It's a bit confusing. Stormkit makes sense, but he never makes it to become a warrior. Look it. He knows his son's future. Well, I guess... Okay, this story's just confusing. But yeah, Treefoot basically just takes the life of Moonstar/Moonstripe, and he becomes Tree Star when Thornclaw is just die. Just die. When Thornclaw tells Sea Star to die, he agrees. And in the original, Moonstar becomes leader. But in this, it's Treefoot, so it would be Tree Star. Hashtag basic logic. But once again, Treefoot would just take Moonstar's life. She wouldn't get that scar. So just take away the scar. Give it to him. You have been granted a scar. StarClan has granted you a scar. I'm confused. StarClan has granted you a scar, aka your sister Thornclaw. Look, Grasper's still happy about this. He just doesn't care. But at some point in the story, Treefoot does have a son. What? And his name is Snowstorm. He becomes evil. But since Treefoot took Moonstar's place, that would have meant you didn't get 2 beautiful children. You got 1 evil one. So, good for you! Who knows who the female or male? This confused me, even though I'm the one who made the story. Yeah. And you tried. You tried to do it, but you failed. Stop trying to fly across the screen, miss. Stop it. Don't you dare give me that look. Grasper went to jail for about 3 seconds for making that face. He's probably gonna go to jail again. He doesn't stop making that face. Cat jail. That's the jail he went to. This story is super confusing, and Moonstar is suffocating Stormkit with her tail. Look, he's like, stop suffocating me, please. But yeah, that's what would have happened if Treefoot took over Moonstar's, I guess, entire identity. So, I hope you enjoyed this very strange video. Stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Sneak peek of what's to come. I will see you next time.